Alrighty, good morning folks. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with a quick morning update for you. A few snow flurries around this morning and as forecast overnight. And you can, if I put the radar here into motion for us, you can see that pretty nicely. Those flurries are going to move through, and we'll deal with those sort of off and on throughout the day. Nothing too much to worry about here, not a whole lot of accumulation. But temperatures are going to struggle to reach out of the 30s today, so that'll be the biggest of the stories. Alright, let me go ahead here and just put the future radar into motion for you. Here you got the light shades of gray, and that indicates those flurries moving around. We'll move this in to Thursday. By the time we come over today, later this evening, you notice a little bit of a break. By the time Thursday comes in, that's whenever you've got a little bit heavier snow shower activity headed towards you. But again, this is not going to be anything that's overly accumulating, just some minor accumulations possible with this. Even into Friday, we still face that risk of snow showers. So really, over the next few days, we've got a chance of some flurries and snow showers each day. It doesn't look like a huge accumulating event for us. And actually, if we just take a look at the surface map from the Euro, we've got several chances of accumulation. Remember, the first blue line is a 540 thickness line, so anything into the deep blue here is snow. So here's those flurries today. As you move over us, you got another chance of flurries moving over here on Thursday afternoon into Friday. That one's gone. Then here's another one that moves through Saturday night into Sunday, brings another little shot. More snow coming down, as you can see, for next Wednesday. Yet more snow coming down for next Thursday. So really, along with some pretty cold temperatures over the next coming little bit, we've got some pretty cold temperatures to deal with. Now, we're still tracking an Arctic blast that's going to be headed our way over time. Let me put this into motion and just talk about temperatures today. High temperatures today, at least according to the Euro model, won't make it out of the 30s. We're looking at upper 20s pretty much area-wide today. And then as you put this into motion tonight, we're going down. It stays pretty consistent for a low for tonight. Then tomorrow, and for Thursday, I should say, we do warm up to the mid-30s on this. But again, you've got those chances of snow showers. Minor accumulations, maybe a dusting, a little bit more, but I'm not really expecting a whole lot with this. By the time you go into Friday night, again, we cool down into the mid to upper 20s, but you see that colder weather moving our way. And then as we go through the day on Friday, let me back this up here, go through the day on Friday, we really fall on our temperatures on Friday all the way down to Saturday morning. We're into the low 20s. Saturday afternoon, we've only recovered into the low 30s. So you get the picture that it's going to be pretty cold. Mid-20s as you wake up on Sunday morning, only going to a high in the afternoon of the low 30s. So say goodbye to the 40s and the 50s that we've been spoiled with the past few days. And then beyond this, I don't have it pulled up, but we are still tracking another major cold blast that could end the month of January for us. So I'll have another video update later this evening. It's about 6:30 in the morning right now, and I'll get this uploaded as a quick video update for you out there. This evening I'll go through a little bit more detail about our snow chances and really talk about that cold blast that's headed our way, because as I say, it does look like we have a pretty significant cool down coming towards us. Are we headed back to below zero temperatures? Doesn't look like it at this point, but it looks like single digits are certainly on the table, and wind chills will take us below zero in that regard. So I don't know if we'll see wind chill warnings with -40 wind chills again, but I hope not. Hopefully that's a once in several decades type of event. But a cold, big-time cool-down is still coming, and we'll talk more about that in a video update later tonight. But for today, just expect some light flurries and some light snow showers around, and just watch for a few slick spots on the road. More updates to come later today. For Southern Indiana weather, I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite. Have a great day, folks.